Hey guys, are you wanna buy best roof racks for extra storage space? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best roof racks for extra storage space that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at GarveeLife Universal Roof Rack Carrier Basket. The GarveeLife Universal Roof Rack Cargo Basket is a rugged and spacious solution for expanding your vehicle's storage. With a 200 pounds capacity in dimensions of 46-inch L x 36 W x 5 H, it frees up interior space and easily accommodates camping gear, luggage, or tools. Built with powder-coated steel and electrophoretic technology, it resists rust and extreme weather for long-lasting durability. Installation is quick with 4 universal U-bolts, compatible with most vehicle crossbars on cars, SUVs, pickups, and RVs. It features bottom support bars, side rails, and a front wind deflector to reduce drag and protect your cargo. Reflective rear stickers enhance safety during night drives. Whether for road trips or daily utility, this basket offers secure, reliable transport, backed by attentive customer support for added peace of mind. Now our second product is Munirater Universal Black Roof Rack. This universal roof rack crossbar is a great solution for vehicles without pre-installed roof racks. Designed to fit cars with a rain trough distance of 110 to 114 centimeters and window distance of 124 to 134 centimeters, it offers solid compatibility. Built with heavy-duty materials, it minimizes vibration while driving and ensures long-lasting performance. Its sleek, sporty appearance enhances your vehicle's overall style while providing functional utility. Ideal for transporting camping gear, luggage, or bulky items, it helps free up interior space and is perfect for road trips or outdoor adventures. While installation is straightforward, professional installation is recommended for the best fit and safety. For optimal use, it's advised to keep speeds under 80 km per hour. Overall, a strong and stylish upgrade for any vehicle in need of added storage versatility. Our third product is MaxxHaul Roof Rack. This roof rack cargo basket offers instant extra cargo space for vehicles with crossbars, measuring 46 inches by 36 inches by 4.5 inches. It's a great solution for hauling gear, luggage, or camping supplies while freeing up interior space. The basket is easy to assemble and install, with all necessary mounting hardware included. It attaches securely to most crossbars using simple U-bolts, making setup quick and hassle-free. Rubber caps are provided to cover the U-bolts, protecting your cargo from scratches or damage during transport. Finished with a durable powder coat, the basket resists rust and wear, ensuring long-lasting performance even in harsh weather. Ideal for road trips or outdoor adventures, this cargo basket combines functionality, durability, and ease of use for a smooth travel experience. Now number 4, Cncest Roof Rack. These universal roof rack crossbars are a solid choice for vehicles with a rain trough distance of 110 to 114 centimeters and a window distance of 124 to 134 centimeters. Designed for easy fitment and maximum utility, the set includes 2 durable aluminum bars with a sleek black finish. Each bar supports up to 75 kilograms of evenly distributed load, making them ideal for transporting luggage, gear, or sporting equipment. The lockable design offers added security, with 2 keys included for peace of mind. Installation is simple, and protective foam and carton packaging ensure the product arrives in perfect condition. While compatible with many vehicles, it's important to check your roof width before purchasing. These bars provide a reliable and stylish solution for expanding your vehicle's carrying capacity. And our last choice is MeeFar Roof Rack Carrier Basket Universal Rooftop. This roof rack cargo basket is a heavy-duty, aerodynamic storage solution ideal for road trips and outdoor adventures. Made from tubular steel with a rust-resistant black epoxy powder coating, it combines strength and lightweight durability, supporting up to 200 pounds. Measuring 51 inches by 36 inches by 5 inches, it offers generous space for hauling gear. The included wind shield improves aerodynamics and protects cargo from wind damage. Easy to assemble and install, it mounts securely to vehicle crossbars using 4 universal U-bolts, crossbars required. What sets this package apart is the included 15 cubic foot waterproof rooftop bag, cargo net with hooks, and ratchet straps, everything you need for secure, weatherproof transport. Rugged, reliable, and well-equipped, this cargo basket is perfect for maximizing vehicle storage on the go. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.